How to convert PDF to Word on laptop. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert PDF to Word on laptop. There are several ways you can try to convert a PDF file to a Word document on your laptop. The simplest and easiest way to convert a PDF to Word on a laptop is by using Microsoft Word. The recent versions of Microsoft Word has built-in PDF conversion capabilities. So you can open a PDF file directly in Word, which will convert it to an editable Word document. However, this method may not resolve complex formatting perfectly, but it's convenient. Here's how you can do it. First of all, open your files of your device and select the PDF whom you want to convert to a Word document. Once you find the PDF, right-click on it, and from this menu that appears, here select this Open With option. And once you select this Open With options, here you will find more options. From here, select Word. Once you click on it, Word will convert this PDF to an editable Word document, which allows you to edit this text, but make sure it might not look like the exact original PDF. Click on this OK button to proceed further. Once doing that, the Word will automatically convert the PDF to an editable Word document. Expand it. You can see that PDF in a Word document. From here now you can edit the text. Now after that, save this file. Click on this file option at the top left. Click on Save. Once you do that, give it a name and click on the Save option to save it to your device location. After doing that, you can close your Microsoft Word and you can see you have successfully converted PDF to a Word document. When you click on it, you can see it has been converted to a Word document now. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.